play ka pentorum kra uba hek haba kren halor ka megalea gaming ak ulong banagaliang kejongu sngauto habai dei bat kane ka gaming ak kabalawan ra da kusorkar jelah namar laong ba kane ka megalea gaming ak kaba kilawan ra kamdei tang na kabenta ka casino rai kat kynthuplang ya ki babun ki jingïalehkai kaba kyntup iki jackpot bat kiwei di tongin ya snap ya ka egba uba hek udan banong halor kani.
I fail to understand about the gaming act. Gaming act doesn't mean only casino to me. If you talk about archery, is a gaming act. For me, is a game. If you talk about there's so many games happening in the states. We have this jackpot parlor also. It's happening somewhere in Police Bazaar or somewhere that side. So this is all the gaming act. And he had said, the Honorable Chief Minister, the local will not allowed to play in the game. If not, then archery tomorrow, who will come and play archery here? That is archery counter, and who will go and play the game? If not local, then will we be waiting for the people from outside to come and take the thotim or the tir?
He mentioned
It's only casino. No. If it is there, then I agree with you.
everything.
No. If you are saying from him, if it is gaming act only, then I agree with you. I agree also with the Honorable Chief Minister because it is meant only for casino. But if talking about the general gaming act, if we talk about the general gaming act, means even the archery is included. If it is included, then he said that the local will not allow to play. They are allowed to play. Then who will play the archery in the states?